Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 6 students. Dear students, our today's topic is Assignment 1. Let's see our today's topic. Students, our today's topic is Assignment 1. And this is lecture number 6. So dear students, let's begin the class. Students, at first we will see the assignment topic. Here is the assignment title. Assignment is number 1 assignment. Students, when you will do your assignment, please fill up the cover page properly. This assignment is assignment number 1. You will write here 1 number assignment, and the subject you will write subject name is science here, and the topic name you will write down the topic name here also, and next here you will fill up this section, your name, class, section, role, shift, and the submission date also. Look at here, this assignment is based on this chapter 3, and the name of this chapter is Cellular Organization of Plants and Animals, and the assignment title here is the Structure of Cell with a Level Diagram. That means this is the topic of the assignment, the title of the assignment also. And here is, look at here, learners will be able to explain the characteristics that differentiate between plants and animal cell. And here is draw level diagram of plant and animal cell. Realize the role of cell in living organisms. And look at here, here is the assignment is to be written by following the steps below. A number here is level diagram of plant cell. That means you have to draw a plant cell with level diagram. And here is B number, organelles of plant and animal cells. That means you have to, for B number, here is the making a list of a name by finding out the similarities and differences between the organelles of plant and animal cells. That means we have to make a differentiate table, and we have to write there the difference between plant and animal cells, and also similarities. That means similarities and dissimilarities both we have to write. C number, making a nuclear model, nucleus model. So we have to make a model of nucleus. For making this model, you need A4 size paper, glue, scale for leveling, and pencil. And the D number, mitochondria. Describe for the D number, you have to describe the importance of mitochondria also. So let's see. At first we will see the level diagram of plant cell. And students, I have drawn here a plant cell. Look at here, this is a plant cell. You will draw a plant cell for A number, and you have to level this figure. And in your book, this figure you will find page number 23. Sorry, page number 26. Look at here, here is the picture of both cell, animal cell and plant cell. And for A number, you have to draw plant cell, and you have to level also. And look at here, I have drawn here, and this is the plant cell, and we can see here is the cell wall. And this is the special characteristics of cell wall. Animal cell don't contain this cell wall. And here is next organelles. Here will be mitochondria. Look at here, I have drawn here mitochondria. So mitochondria is called powerhouse of a cell. And next here is nucleolus. This is a nucleus. Inside this nucleus we can see the dense circular figure. This one is called nucleolus. And here is nuclear membrane, and here is nuclear pore between two membrane. nuclear membrane, here will be a pore, this is called nuclear pore, and here is chromosome. Supercoiled structure inside this nucleus here is called chromosome. This all things make a nucleus. And the middle of the cell we can see a big vacuole here. So this one is the another special characteristics of plant cell, and we can see here is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and here is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Students, I didn't label here all, you will do by yourself. You have to label all the organelles properly for your assignment. And now here is the chloroplast. Look at here, here is the chloroplast, and this chloroplast is also a special characteristics of plant cell. We will not find any chloroplast in animal cell. So you can see here is the chloroplast. Like this way you will draw a plant cell and you have to label all the organelles properly. For this you can follow your book. For the label diagram, you can follow your book. This is page number 26. Next is here B number, organelles of plants and animal cells. For B number, I have written here some points. You can add here more points. Look at here, I have make here a differentiate table. At first I have written here organelles name, and here is plant cell and animal cell, and the 1 number point, cell wall. In plant cell, cell wall is present, but in animal cell, cell wall is absent. 2 number, cell membrane. In plant cell, cell membrane is covered by cell wall, and in animal cell is bounded by cell membrane. Plastid. Plastid is present in plant cell, and 3 number here in animal cell, plastid is absent in animal cell. 4 number, cell vacuole. Plant cell. In a mature plant cell, vacuole is bigger in size. And we can see in animal cell, vacuole is absent. If present, it is very small in size. Look at here, this will be vacuole. Sorry, my pen is not working. So here will be vacuole. In animal cell, vacuole is absent. If present, it is very small in size. 5 number point, centriole. In plant cell, centriole is absent, and in animal cell, centriole is present. Students, I didn't write here the similarities. You will add here similarities and dissimilarities all. And you can see, if you open page number 26, you can see they have some similarities in the plant cell and animal cell. We can see that they both cell contain nucleus and both cell contain mitochondria. So they can be their similarities points. You can add this one. For C number is here making a nucleus model. For making, here is written making a model with A4 size paper. You need A4 size paper, glue, scale for labeling, and pencil. Students, I have made a model. You have to do this one by yourself. Look at here, I have used here A4 size paper, and I have labeled this one. This is a nucleus, and here is a nuclear membrane. Here is the nuclear membrane, and here is nucleolus, and here is nucleoplasm inside this nucleus, and between two nuclear membrane here is a pore. This is called nuclear pore, and here is chromatin fiber. And look at here, I have used here thread, black color thread for showing the chromatin fiber. Chromatin fibers are super coiled. So you can make this model with this thread. Next is here D number, mitochondria. Students, I have drawn here mitochondria, and here is the figure of mitochondria. Here is the membrane, and here is the inner folder membrane. This is Christie, and here is the oxygen, and here is the inside here will be matrix. And students, you have to add mitochondria. Look at here in your book, the page number 27. Here you have to add more lines about mitochondria, and here is written already. Look at here, here is written mitochondria. It is called a powerhouse of the cell. Most of this energy producing reaction take place inside it. So you have to add more lines from here. You have to write about mitochondria also. I didn't write here. You have to write by yourself. And for nucleus, you have to write from here. In your book, here is start from 27 page. Look at here in this about nucleus, you can see this is start from 27 page, and here is it will be finished at 28 number page. So you have to add these lines from your book. And now your assignment submission date. Your assignment submission date is here. Your assignment submission date is 5/3/2022. That means upcoming Saturday you have to submit your assignment. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic, and you have to submit your assignment due date. So dear students, stay home and well.